but you could get for 100.
This one.
Hello.
For this.
If you want,
Good morning.
200. Hold it. Right?
It's aquamarines.
Aquamarine.
Aquamarines.
How much this one?
400.
How much?
400, my dear.
This one?
It is 300. How much? How much?
300. How much?
This one is 250.
Oh,
That's a whipper.
oh. I know. Don't tell me I'm from Windhoek. I will
Yeah,
give you 100. It's a good price.
200.
No, 100.
200.
I will take if you want the other things as well. If you give me for
That's
the
200. It's good offer.
20.
200. 200.
This and this.
No.
Okay. Take this one. And that one. $100 for two. Choose here. Everyone. And then
Going to swap.
are you going to
Tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. Please collect the better.
collect it? Okay. Thank you very